Okay, so today's lesson is a supplement to our quick couplers that we talked about the other day. Quick couplers are very popular in the industry, but then so are what we're going to talk about today, and these are twist couplers. Twist couplers do the same function as quick couplers, however, they work on a little bit different principle. So we're going to talk about terminology first. These are twist couplers. Twist coupler body by 3/8 female thread. Twist coupler body by 3/8 male thread. This is called a twist coupler plug by a 3/8 female thread, and this is a twist coupler plug by 3/8 male thread. So obviously these guys go together. We have a body and we have a plug. There we go. Back down there where you belong, doggone it. And these guys, they go together. This slides in. Let me see if I can't, see if I might be able to demonstrate exactly. Sorry for the shaky camera. Try to do something here for you guys so you can see how they go together, okay? Basically, we're going to take these guys and we're going to put it in there. And we just simply screw it together. Nice thing about these, we don't need any wrenches. Not that we need wrenches with quick couplers, but twist couplers, you don't want to use a wrench. That's why they have the plastic knurled housing on the outside. As long as you don't use a wrench, you can unscrew it. The sealing is actually done by this O-ring right here, and the O-ring goes down inside the plug, and that's what creates the seal. Very nicely, they go together very good. These are kind of a standard. Every once in a while you run across one that don't fit together because there's an oddball out there in some homeowner units, and so you want to make sure that these go together nicely without too much trouble, and you don't have to use a wrench on them. It's important that you not have to use a wrench on it. So you've got your female thread, body, O-ring, plug, and again they just go together and they just screw together. These are real popular. These are real common among homeowner units. They work really well, pretty reliable, and you can get the replacement O-rings. You can put an O-ring lube on that O-ring, and that allows the parts to go together pretty free. So you want to remember that these are available along with the quick couplers. Some guys like the twist coupler idea on this. You got no ball bearings to wear out. You don't have quite as many moving parts because you don't have that collar that goes back and forth on these twist couplers. And so these have a tendency to actually last a lot longer, especially if you're not having to use them. Maybe you have an occasional need to be able to take the hose off of the machine or the gun, but not all the time. This is kind of nice because they don't freeze up like quick couplers do. There's not as many moving parts, so they last longer. You've just got that one O-ring you got to worry about. So this is supplement to the quick couplers. So another way to be able to take your hose and gun off of the machine, or take your hose off of your gun as well.